is happening, guys? Hope you guys are having a great morning or afternoon. Is up early in the morning. Gonna go get some coffee, fill up some E85, because you guys already know, if you guys are on E85, you're low. If you're halfway, you better get some refill. There hasn't been anything new lately, so the car's been running pretty good, pretty solid. I've been trying to upload more, you know, give a little bit more updates. But lately, honestly, nothing new. I'm trying to get a read to him later, but haven't had a chance to actually talk to my tuner to get it done.